What specific MBA subjects and skill set are most relevant for someone aspiring to work in fraud examination and forensic accounting?
Okay. See, in the case of fraud examination and forensic accounting, it is not just the MBA domain that is sufficient. You need to know how business performs. You need to have a greater knowledge about what is happening around the society, how the transactions are happening, how people are trying to fraud others. These are some areas which we should understand, and then we have to enter into the details of forensic accounting and fraud detection. So there are a lot of scientific steps involved in this. So it's a very huge area. But given the current situation wherein there are a lot of digital frauds happening, it is not just digital frauds, but the if you compare the kind of frauds that are happening, more than 50% are in the digital domain. So that is a huge area. So we have to understand how these fraudsters are defrauding the public. So once you understand that, once you learn the basics about forensic accounting and fraud detection, then you will be able to excel in this area. So it's something which is beyond the academics. What you have to have is a basic requirement is you should learn a lot of things. You should observe a lot of things. It is not purely academic. Beyond academics, you'll have to observe things. That is what is required, even for any professionals for that matter. Not just forensic or fraud detection. Even for finance professionals also, the economy is currently looking for people who have more practical knowledge, practical wisdom than academic knowledge. Academic knowledge will only help you for an entry. But if you want to excel in an area, you should have more practical knowledge, practical wisdom, how things are. You should be able to understand how things are and how things ought to be. That is again a wonderful area. Like there will be some system which is there in any organization. What is the improvement that you can contribute to that particular system? That is something which will give more value. So once you can think beyond academics, beyond the normal system, that is out of the box thinking. So once you can do that, then definitely you can excel. And that is what is expected from MBA professionals by the economy.